Hey everybody, Justin Sehner here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to use AI to get the best user-generated content created for your Shopify store. We'll jump right into it. AI and content creators, this is going to lead to more sales. There's no doubt about it. And I'm going to show you the exact right way to do this because working with influencers and content creators, this is a true must for all e-commerce stores. Every single Shopify store needs to be doing this. And the main reason, the number one reason, is that UGC, user-generated content, it performs better than any other type of marketing asset. And you could use UGC in ads, on your storefront, on your product pages, in your email marketing, in your social media. You could use it literally everywhere in your business. It's an incredibly powerful and valuable marketing asset. And a really popular strategy for Shopify entrepreneurs, for Shopify stores, is to use Ramdam's AI-based creator platform to find the right content creators for your store. They're going to be able to match you up with real creators, real influencers that create viral content. And these are not AI-based creators, real people, real content creators that get matched up with your brand through Ramdam. It's incredibly powerful. And if you want to do influencer marketing, you might run into some pain points. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify or with print on demand or with drop shipping. You're going to need to use a platform. And the platform must be super easy to use and must require no prior technical skills. You don't need to be some type of developer. You don't need to be some type of, expert videographer. All you need to do is have a Shopify store, have a product that you want to sell. And most importantly, the platform must use AI not only to find and to grade content creators, but what I'm going to show you is using AI to craft campaigns, craft briefs, craft even the pricing that you're going to be able to go with these creators so quickly, so easily, using AI to do it. It's super powerful. And if you want to do it the right way, you're going to use Ramdam. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how you could use Ramdam, how easy it is to use their AI-powered platform. You're going to find great content creators. They're going to find and create briefs automatically for you with the AI. You're going to be able to work with awesome creators, creating viral content for your brand. And we can go over the shoulder. You see Ramdam over here, ramd.am. You see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to book a call and book a demo so you can see exactly what's going on. I'm going to show you inside the platform, but there are some really huge brands using it. You see Aliens, you see L'Oreal, Voodoo, MWM, right? Massive brands using this because this is all you need to get winning creator ads at scale. It's an incredibly powerful platform. See things like AI score and really leveraging AI to make sure that you're going to be having the best available creators possible for your brand. Those that match up perfectly with your brand. There's over 50,000 creators from 50 plus countries speaking 10 different languages. And these are high performers on social networks. These are going to get you the traffic, the incentivization in terms of getting people to click because it's connected to powerful influencers and creators. That's why the UGC really works so well. You'll be able to find those best fit creators all inside of Ramdam. The platform is just so powerful and so easy to do. You'll be able to get videos at scale very quickly, more volume, less time, always on brand. I think one of the best parts really, you'll see this, the AI briefs. A lot of people struggle with creating that influencer or that content creation brief. Just one of the cool features here, it's going to do it for you with AI. With Ramdam, it's so super easy to do this. It's a 4-step process where we're going to go ahead and launch, create, match, review, and boost all at the same time in this platform. Really, really easy to do. I'm going to walk you through it. When you sign up and create your account, you'll be prompted to go ahead and create your first campaign. All we need to do is just basically fill out the different fields here. You just have to copy and paste your Shopify description or tagline to help AI craft your creator brief. Basically building out what we have here in terms of what behaviors do we want to do, what type of information are we going to give to this campaign to make it as easy as possible for creators to create really high-end content. You see, we might need custom behavior. We might need them to sample the product. Or maybe if it's a t-shirt, we want them to wear the product, right? You can put different behaviors in there. Talking about who the creators are, right? We can do things like language, countries, age range. We could have specific requests. Let's say you're in a niche, right? You can go and do something like that. Now we have our brief. This is really powerful. You're going to see we have tons and tons of kind of do's, don'ts, assets, right? Nice formatting here. Copy and paste, edit, do whatever you need to in terms of getting people to understand what you want. You have the pricing over here as well. Come over here and set your budget on the video. It's going to give you an audience prediction in terms of how many creators, timeline, things like that. And that's what the Ramdam AI will predict based on your budget level and your campaign requirements. So you see everything right in front of you. You're basically able to go ahead and publish this campaign, and this will get the whole process started where Ramdam's AI will start matching to the content creators and all that great stuff. You'll be able to manage at any time. And then you're actually able to now see creators that are going ahead and creating for you. And you see literally in this list, we have our smart sorting over here enabled, and you're going to see all the creators that submitted content for your campaign ranked using Ramdam's AI smart sorting. This ensures you maximize return on investment with creators that beat the odds. And this is what you're seeing inside of a campaign. So you have your campaign kind of going over here. Now you're going to have all of the different statuses, like the actions, the resources, remaining time, the status, right? And we're able to communicate here. We're able to see everything all in one setting here. And of course, we'll then be able to review the final video, right? We'll say, okay, everything is great, or we might need some feedback in terms of revisions. You'll get to see it all on the platform. That's what's really powerful about Ramdam. The AI is working in the background. You're able to just log in here. You literally see all your deliverables in here. You have the back and forth in terms of needing feedback. You could literally give it star reviews there. You see different filters to see whose content we're still waiting for and whose posts are ready to approve, whose posts are already finished and live. You see that in the finish section. Over here, you can watch the video, you can copy it, you could even grab the copy ad code, which allows the brand to promote the content on the platform's ad network. So it's very easy to kind of manage all this, right? We have this platform, really easy to use, where AI is kind of doing most of the hard work. We come in there, we just manage everything, we check what's going on, we approve, we give feedback requests or edit requests, all done inside the platform. So really, really easy to use. You see, of course, the content here posted on TikTok in that example. So, lots of different ways to work this system. Also great support, pretty much available 24/7 right inside the app. So that was Ramdam, as you saw, incredibly powerful. You see the link directly below this video. Go ahead and click that. You'll be able to schedule a call, see exactly how Ramdam is going to work for your brand. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you go in here, fill out the form, set up a call with the Ramdam team. I highly recommend working with them. You need UGC, you need user-generated content, and you're going to get the best from it from Ramdam. Again, link directly below this video. Highly recommended. I hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon.